Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, and now we are here to deliver a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to overlook any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.66. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.46%. This equates to an average return of 0.14% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, presenting a potentially favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $508.50 be breached, it would initially indicate a slower rate of ascent and may also serve as an early warning of a possible trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.23% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 8.03% and 14.80%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 23.54% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 13.71% and 29.60%. This would result in a price range of approximately $584.67 to $666.37 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for QQQ ETF Price After Thursday Trading. The QQQ ETF price decreased by approximately 0.445% on the last day, Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, falling from $516.47 to $514.17. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 1.54%, reaching a low of $513.84 and a high of $521.76. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in a total decline of 1.46% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indication as volume should ideally follow the ETF's movements. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, with a total of 45 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $23.22 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest was $395.35. Currently, the price stands 4.63%, or $24.98, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Investors are closely watching the NASDAQ 100 Exchange-Traded Fund, commonly known as QQQ, especially as we approach January 2025. Recent trends indicate a mix of optimism and caution regarding its performance, particularly influenced by the historical seasonal strength witnessed in December. However, analysts suggest that 2025 may bring volatility, primarily driven by fluctuations in the artificial intelligence sector, which has significantly impacted market dynamics throughout 2024. On a positive note, the inclusion of MicroStrategy, often viewed as a proxy for Bitcoin, into the NASDAQ 100 could enhance interest in QQQ. This move is expected to potentially drive up demand, reflecting the increasing interconnection between technology stocks and cryptocurrency markets. Additionally, pairing QQQ with a free cash flow exchange-traded fund is highlighted as a strategy to diversify investments and improve risk-adjusted returns. Despite recent concerns about the sustainability of artificial intelligence-driven gains and the prospect of slumping semiconductor stocks, long-term views remain cautiously optimistic, backed by anticipated robust performance for exchange-traded funds like QQQ in the coming year. Market participants should brace for possible turbulence while considering strategic adjustments to mitigate risks within the tech-heavy index. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQ exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is simultaneously a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $527.37. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $511.82. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 16, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 4.46%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as it is expected that volume should align with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands also point to a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 33 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signals a sell from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 72 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $505.58. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund generally trades at a healthy volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $7.92, which is 1.54%, between its high and low. In the last week, it experienced an average daily volatility of 1.74%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let us briefly examine some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a subdued outlook for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 516.47. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 505.58. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $486.12, reflecting a decrease of 5.46%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a reduced risk profile. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal stemming from a pivot top discovered 3 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of December, we anticipate that QQQ will open up by $2.42, starting trading at $516.59. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, we recommend consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.